Uh, so, hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing? It's Shamshod with you. Now we are going to make some little application in Laravel PHP framework, as you know. But first of all, I think I should um, check my translation if everything's okay. So me let me check this. Wow. Oh, no. So we need a video here. My face of me. Chica. Ha! We need a video here. My face of me. Chica. Nice. Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we are gonna make some little application where we will create categories and some goods. It will be something like a little internet shop. We are gonna implement categories of goods, and we will have goods, description of good, photo of good, and each good will have several categories. Um, and price, of course, and availability checkbox. We will use Laravel framework, PHP. As you know, I am master in PHP, expert, international expert. Just kidding. So for front end, it will be SPA application, and for front end, we will use Vue.js with UI component. Let's start. I'll share my screen to you. It's my YouTube channel, so don't pay attention. The Crepit, where is the Crepit? So let's start. As you know, Laravel application is created with Laravel helper command. You can find in official documentation of Laravel how to install Laravel. I will install via Composer, Laravel helper. New. You can globally install Laravel installer to your computer and use. I have already installed version 4.1.1. So let's start Laravel new T-shop. T-shop because further we will implement a Telegram bot for looking for goods and making orders. Let's say T-shop. T-shop. As you know, Taylor Otwell some days ago announced the new version of Laravel 9. So we are gonna use version 9. Woo! um, give some time to me for sharing my life to my subscribers. Here, link. I will send to my friends. So our application is about to complete for almost installed. Let's create MySQL database I have. Let's create database connection. Where is my database connections? So root without password. I'll create new database called T-shop. So let's enter to our directory T-shop. Then let's application case already generated. In earlier versions of Laravel, you had to generate key by yourself, but it's very well. Let's start our application, PHP Artisan serve, and our server is running on port 8000. Yes. I'll use my IDE web PHP Storm. Open PHP Storm on PHP Storm project. Where is T-shop? T-shop. Now we have the full structure of Laravel application. Let's see what routes we have generated already. Laravel by default enabled Sanctum Aus. So channels, inspire, and we have welcome page on port 8000. First of all, we are gonna create models, categories, good categories. PHP Artisan make model -h. What kind of parameters we can pass? We can pass controller parameter factory, migration, seed, resource, request. Let's pass parameter A, and it will create automatically all necessary files for us. PHP Artisan make model good category -a. My friends wrote that I have bad audio quality. Let's see what kind of hands-free. I will use my microphone of my laptop. Oh, another option is using default. Hey guys, how слышно меня? I'll check for comments. Oh, there is zero watchers. Добро пожаловать в чат. Here you can send messages. So migration has created. Let's configure our database connection. In env file, we have database tshop good. We'll use this database. Password is root. Yes, everything is okay. PHP artisan migrate runs all database migrations. Now we have created users tables, password setters, personal access tokens, good categories table. Now let's check our models. Now in Laravel, starting some version of Laravel, it generates models, local models in models folder finally. Because in previous versions we have to generate and move these files by ourselves and refactor their way namespaces. So good category model. Let's open migrations file. So what we have in good categories? Good category has order and name. Name is a string. Name not movable. It doesn't have default value too. And we have boolean, not boolean, tiny int parameter for ordering. But as you know, order is SQL's parameter reserved word. That's why let's use order num. Now, right now we don't have migrations. New in Laravel 9. Now migrations are generated as anonymous classes because before there was some collisions if names of migrations were the same. For example, you write make database updates migration. If you create two such database migrations, they will differ with timestamp, but the class name will be the same and some collision was occurred. Right now, this doesn't happen as guys now thinking with their brain made anonymous classes. So we will use fillable attributes for enabling mass assignment. Good categories will have name and order num parameter. Now we can in some way create factories. We will use factories and good category factory. It will return name this faker string words. For example, our category will contain two words and order num this faker integer number. What is numerify method? Let's Google it, guys. Faker numerify. Oh no, PHP faker. Verify examples. Verify. Change random number. It will be easier. Random number. Random number. Well, excuse me. Now we can run action db seed and class. Let's um, see which seeders we have. Good category seeder. Is call good category seeder class. We can just call here. Here and here we will add good category factory 5 create. If we run php artisan dvc, we have some error. What kind of error we have, guys? Let's check the documentation for seeding. The base seeding. We make seeders in such way, and we have models. We can call seeder here. So events. No. Good category. Good category. Good category. Illustrator. True, yeah. Piece of shit. Name in field list. Column not found. How our category's name is called? Name. Name. What the hell? What the hell is going on? Fillable. Protected array. If you want, I can write in such a way. Where I should add. How? Assalamu alaikum. That's why I didn't add it. So it returns string. This random number will return some integer. Okay. So the hell. So the next thing is now our CLS has its window. Now our GUT categories are generated. Let's see in database. Обновить good categories. Данные. We have some categories. Now we are gonna make model for good minus a. It will have controller. And we will have model. So fillable. It has description, name, order name as usual, description, order name, availability, archive, we can hide, visible, visibility, preferences, we can add price, and link for Amazon, for example, or to some articles for users for reading about this product. Okay. What about migrations? Our table will be soft deleted. We'll have the soft deleted because you can have some history with this good, then delete it, and then your all records will be unusable. That's why we just soft delete it. Table string name for names of goodies. our description and the integer for order none. Let's make it just integer, unsigned small integer. And this on to because I don't know how many goodies we will have. We have boolean availability and visibility preferences for goodies. Also we have assign double for price and total it will have 10 and guys, you know, in Uzbekistan we use just sums. But currencies we can have different currencies. So let's make price 10 to 2. 8 numbers with 8 lengths. With 3 lengths it's 1,000. 6 lengths is million. It's enough. And now we have a link for URL and its max length is 256. That's enough, I think. Also, we have relations with our categories. Each good have multiple categories, and each category has multiple goods. That's why we need many relations. We should create table named scheme, create good category function blueprint table. Table has unsigned big integer for good ID, and it has good category ID. And before dropping this table, we should drop if exists good category table. Unsigned foreign ID for good and we have good category class. Yoo-hoo! Everything is okay, I think. Let's migrate or change PHP artisan. You know, I have changed something in good categories or not? No. I haven't changed. Migrate. Let's check. Now we have good category table for relations and goods. Good category has two. Oh, my bad, guys, my bad. Page cards make migrate migrate back mention step 10 per migrate. Now we have correct structure, I think. Let's load all data. Then we have to foreign case.